Hello! Today we are going to make rain clouds using water, shaving cream, and food coloring. Start by filling up a clear container or glass with water and leave a bit of space at the top. Next, spray some shaving cream onto the water. This is going to be the cloud, and the water underneath represents the air. The food coloring will be our rain. When you're ready, drop some food coloring rain onto your cloud. The thicker you make your shaving cream cloud, the longer the rain will take to fall. This is because the rain takes longer to soak through the cloud. This is just like when you have a big fluffy towel. It can hold much more water than a thinner towel before it starts to drip. The more food coloring you drop onto your cloud, the more rain will fall underneath. You can even try using different colors to see how they mix when they come out as rain. This is a really fun experiment because it is so easy to set up. You can try different thicknesses of shaving cream, different colors, different amounts of food coloring, different sized containers, and see how these changes affect the experiment. Will it make the rain come out thicker? Will it take longer? These are all different things that you can play with and see how it works. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!